Well, actually,
Don't even try.
Actually, take it easy now. Your looks, people are shocked when they see you because they think you are from what, South America, probably?
Yes, South America, Brazil. You know, it's funny because everywhere I go, like I go Italy, they say, oh, you look like Italian.
Isn't that great?
You know, if I go Spain, they say you look like Spanish. So when I go to Brazil, they say you look like Brazilian.
It could
so,
be anything.
Yeah, I feel like I'm home everywhere. You know, any country I go, I feel home. So it's great.
You look like a Tatar to me.
Like who?
Tatar?
What's
A
that?
Tatar.
Tatar.
Yeah.
We don't know what he
Tatar.
talks about.
Huh?
Oh, you know.
Oh, I scored, didn't I?
I know.
just scored. Okay.
What does that mean?
Well, that's why you look that way.
Yes, my father, he's Tatar. It's like kind of close to Mongolian. And my mom, she's Russian, so I'm mixed. Tatar, it's nationality. It's a small republic inside the Russia. And it's people can look like Brazilian.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like Brazilian.
They all look like you because we want to
Yes,
move.
every one of them.
You should take a little trip to Russia and check it out.
Oh, please
Yeah.
don't invite me.
You know,
Good day, Moscow.
little flirtation going on here.
She wants me to spend. She wants me to spend a winter in the gulag, just because. So now, what happens to you? Do you act as well? Because that seems to be the next step.
Not yet. Maybe you never know.
Well, Brooklyn Decker's in here, and she just
I
did that
know.
movie.
I know.
You could be a Bond girl like that.
thank
Oh, in a second,
Yes.
huh?
Look at.
Whoa. She's never thought about it though.